All right, so what I want to do is talk to you about Thai massage, and specifically doing Thai massage on a massage table, because it's a very specific skill set. You can't just take Thai massage from the mat and then just do that on a table. And I'll go through this because it becomes incredibly unsafe. So we'll go through that in a minute, and I'll also show you how I do Thai massage on a table for the legs in a supine position, which feels fantastic for you as a practitioner and incredible for your clients. Right, but before we go into that, I want to talk to you about doing Thai massage on a table. Right, so this is from my course. It's a minute and a half long, and I'm going to go through the major pitfalls when it comes to doing Thai massage on a table. When it comes to Thai massage, it's done on a mat. You know that, okay? But we want to do it on a table. We want to modify it. The problem is that I've seen over and over again that people that try to modify Thai massage from the mat to the table, they're trying to do things that you do on the mat that are just unsafe to do on a table. Two people sat up on top of a table, 3 feet off the ground on a spongy massage table, forget about it. So what I've done is give you, as I say, a sequence that feels great, it flows, and you're going to get the... So if someone comes in with tight shoulders and back and that sort of thing, you can start them face down. Or maybe it's an athlete, they come in legs, you can start them on the feet and legs. It's entirely up to you. I've put them into different sections that you can basically put where you want. I'll give you a complete sequence and then show you later how you can just change them around. So for each bespoke client's needs, you can change it around. Okay, so as promised, what I'm going to show you is an excerpt from my table Thai massage course on how to do this beautiful supine, so face up, Thai massage on the legs, how you do it safely, which feels great for you and also fantastic for your clients. Now, in the description below, you'll see that I've got a whole Thai bundle, Thai foot reflexology, Thai hand reflexology, 2 different styles of Thai massage on the mat, and of course the table Thai massage as well. At a special price, you can have a look at that, click there and see if that's for you. Now, let's get into the Thai leg massage sequence, as I say, in a face-up supine position. Right, let's get going. Okay, from that position, now we're going to start working the legs. Okay, so what you're going to do, grab the leg, under the knee, and come up into the tree pose. Okay, so come up, hands, and just gently stretch down. Now watch the person's face if you need to make sure it's not too strong. And once again, it's your body weight that's putting the pressure through. Now we're going to palm. This can be sensitive, so just watch your client down through the calf here. So I don't need to have my knee up here, but it's more comfortable, so do what's most comfortable for you. Now I'm just holding on to the knee, I'm not pushing down or anything. My son, by the way, is sound asleep. You'll find the same thing will happen with you. Now, we're going to bring it up, hold the ankle. This is taken across. Now I'm going to put my knee on here, bring it across, and now palm the outer leg. Now, if your wrists are no good, or you just want to vary it, by all means you can do fists. Remember to use your body weight. And now down the front of the shin, tibialis anterior, swapping hands. Again, you can use soft fist, no problem at all. Remember, keep it nice and rhythmical. Swap hands. Go easy, the iliotibial band can be very sensitive. So I'm just working that, do as little or as much as you like. Now I'm going to bring this slightly across like this. Now sit on the foot here, interlock my fingers, and a beautiful hip stretch. So the pressure is going through the heels of my hands. Lean back. So nice to do. So now we've done the inside of the leg, the outside of the leg, the thigh, now the calf. So I'm going to bring my fingers in like this and I'm pulling them apart. My fingers are in the center of the calf. I'm kind of teasing them apart, but they're not actually moving that much. But that's the feeling. And now, one hand on here, I'm going to pull this way. So pull medially. So we're really getting a beautiful transverse stretch, like a torsional stretch, to really help loosen up the muscle. Now from there, come up, we're going to do a helicopter. So hand on ankle, hand on knee. And now take it up towards the shoulder and push down on the foot. Once again, the shoulder. So we get a beautiful thigh stretch. Now I'm going to put my knee up, bring this up on my shoulder. Okay, swap hands, and now again, you can use soft fists for this. So we're working the hamstring now. Show your soft fists, maybe your body weight. Work down around the hips as well. Now, from there, come back. We're going to stretch the hamstring. Okay, so there's the knee, above the knee. Watch your client's face if you're not used to doing this. Feeling the tension. We can repeat that. Come back down, stretch. Now take it to the opposite side, the opposite shoulder, giving more of a hip stretch now. Now from there, let's do a little helicopter. From there, I'm going to come onto the table. Keep the knee up like this. So keep that, otherwise if you hold it out, you keep it across this side of the body. That way you've got total control over it. If you don't, and you have it out more like in line, they're going to be so floppy ragdoll, then what's going to happen is it might just flop out. You don't want that to happen. All right, so now we're on the back of the table. Okay, so what we're going to do from this position, come up. So stretching through the ankle. And now, turn your foot. So I'm turning it inwards. And we're going to just let him down. Bring that, tuck that in there. Honey, Liam, just let your hip go, darling. So you're dealing with when you're dealing with he's asleep. So now, holding onto the heel, you can hold onto the ankle. You can use all parts of your foot, but just for the moment, we're just going to use the broadest part of your foot. But you can use like the outside, the inside, the ball when you get better at this. And then from there, bring that out. So as I say, when you've got total trust, this is my son's legs hanging out off the table. I've got complete control over this, and he's no problems, not feeling unsafe at all. Okay, now from there, you can bring your foot underneath, bring it up, take it up, press, and then take the leg across. I'm going to put my leg up here, anchor this, and I'm going to take the leg gently, breathe in and out. And we're going to get a nice stretch. Watch their face, make sure you're not going too hard. And in, bring it back a little bit, and out. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, you can comment below, and also your resources. I've got fantastic deals with bundles of my online courses, whether it's aromatherapy, whether it's massage. You can have a look at that, and if you're interested, you can go along, click the links, and see if that's something you'd like to do.